Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to do a little unboxing of the Rodecaster Duo. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, it's going to be a little different kind of episode than I normally do. Typically on this channel, if you've been following it for a while, you know that I do tutorials and I show how to use certain apps like Notion or TickTick. And I decided I would do a little bit of a kind of a change on this channel. It's still going to be mostly showing you all how to use apps and stuff like that. But I also thought, given the fact that my channel is basically about you taking your analog self, basically, and becoming more digital in today's day and age, which is basically what this channel is about, right? Is your digital makeover, meaning that if you are someone who really has kind of been resisting the digital world, so to speak, but you've realized, well, everything's pretty much going digital and I need to get with the program and, so I can have a, good paying job or what have you. And you kind of want to go from that analog self to that digital self, then this is the channel for you. So based upon that, given that fact, I thought, well, I do need to make sure that I kind of adhere to that and not only show different apps and how to utilize those apps, but not only that, but to show you how to utilize the digital equipment. So in today's episode, it's going to be mainly about unboxing. Now, I'm not going to give a review of this Rodecaster Duo. I haven't actually utilized the Rodecaster Duo yet. I just got it yesterday, I think it was. And I thought I would just do a small little unboxing. This is the first time I've done this kind of thing on the channel, so it might be a little wonky. But, bear with me. I'm going to do my best to get through this and show you all how, or what this Rodecaster Duo is and what's in the box, okay? So, let's get started. So here I have the Rodecaster Duo. And it came in this, it came in an actual box from Amazon, but once I got it out of the box, this is the box that the Rodecaster Duo is in from the manufacturer. It comes just like this, Rodecaster Duo. I hope you all can see that. I want to try to utilize my other camera that I've set up just to see how this works. Not sure how this is going to work. Probably need to get myself a monitor so I can tell how to do these unboxings, but anyways, so this is how it comes. And so let's get into this box. Let's see, how do I get into this thing here? Well, I guess I need to, I know this is a very well produced show, isn't it? All right. Oh yeah, it's got tape right there, so I need to get myself a handy dandy little knife. Ta-da! All right, and we just get right in here, cut that open. Hopefully I didn't cut anything that was not needed to be cut, but I know I tend to babble a lot. All right, there you go. So that's how that comes off of there, and basically it's the same box there. You just open that up. And I apologize, I might not have any kind of top-down things on this video, but we will do our best, won't we? All right, so that's what's basically in the box right here. Pretty cool, huh? So let's take a look and see what do we got in here anyways. Well, we got the Rodecaster. It's in a nice little plastic thing here. So we'll set it over here to the side. And what else have we got in here? Yeah. Alright, so it says lift here. I don't want to lift there. But apparently I got to lift there. Okay. Aha. Yeah. So, we have a nice little USB-C cable right here. As you can see. Alright. Nice little, probably the power adapter, I'm assuming. Yeah, this is the power adapter right here. Ta-da! Alright, let's see what else we got. We got the handy-dandy little Rodecaster. I don't know what this is. Oh, yeah. Probably gonna have to get me a stand or something, because doing this one-handed is problematic at best. So I'm assuming this is some sort of, oh, it's a regulatory safety guide. You know, to be honest with you guys, I have no idea why they put these regulation safety guides in these boxes. I never look at them. They usually go in the trash. Oh, wait, sorry. Yes, I look at them and I read every single bit of it. No, I really don't. Yeah, let's see what's good in here. I didn't realize that I was so ambidextrous here. Aha, the other part of the power cord. Because as you see, this right here plugs into there. Okay. Alright, anything else in this box? Nope, nothing else. Like that's about it. Yeah, that was a pretty quick one, wasn't it? Put that back in there so we can take a look at the Rodecaster real quick. Alright, so I hope that was enjoyable, that little bit of unboxing. But let's take a look-see at the Rodecaster. I'm going to get it out of this plastic. Let's see here. Hopefully y'all can see this on that camera there. And let's take that, put that over there. So what else we got in this thing? We got a functional test. Yeah. So that's in there. And let's see. Got a mechanical and cosmetic and QC check. So I guess they have a quality assurance thing. That's kind of cool. See that? Look at that. Yeah. All right. What else we got here? Yeah. Put that back in there. I don't know why I put it back in there. Be honest with you, I'll probably throw it away. But all right. So here is the Rodecaster. I'm gonna try not to drop it since I actually don't want this damaged. So there it is, the Rodecaster Duo. And right back here is the ports. Okay. And I'm not, like I say, I'm not going to completely set this up, and I'm probably going to do another video later on this, on the my initial thoughts on it. And then probably after 6 months, I'll probably do another episode on the Rodecaster to kind of give my review of it. Or maybe I'll do it in a month, who really knows. Because I kind of just do things off the cuff. Don't really plan. Not a planner, you know. Not a planner. Still kind of like this box. Yeah, I'm going to keep the box. Well, I always keep the boxes. Anyways, needless to say, that's enough of my babbling. But there is the front of it. Like I say, there's the back. Hopefully y'all can see that. And up front here, I don't know if you can see right there, we have a little headphone jack, I'm assuming that is. Or actually, I really don't know what that jack is. I'll find out later. I don't want to make assumptions to stuff I don't know about. And now, I did notice there's no instruction manual. So I guess I have to figure that out online, probably. You would have thought. I guess, or even a quick start guide. Back in this box and see if I missed something. Did I miss anything? Yeah. Nope, I didn't miss anything. I know you're like, man, this is a crazy unboxing. No, my very first one. Hopefully y'all can hear this real well, because I have no idea what I'm doing. But I digress. All right, so there is the unboxing of the Rodecaster Duo. And that's pretty much that all comes in the box. Like I say, a USB-C. You also have the power cables. And then, of course, you have the wonderful regulatory and safety guides. You want to go through that? You want to read that with me? Okay. Important safety info. No, you probably don't want to hear that, do you? No. And, of course, the quality assurance check, which actually was pretty much the most impressive thing in there. Oh, look, they even got quality assurance right back here with a 0 and a slash through it. I know that means something. Ain't that supposed to be a symbol for unity? Yeah. Maybe somebody knows out there. And like I say, there's the box. And that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And like always, if you enjoyed this episode and you want to see more of these in the near future, make sure you hit that like button right down there. It does help get these videos out to more people. And if you want to, subscribe to my channel so you can get notified of any upcoming episodes, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. And with that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.